Welcome to Accessibility Everywhere. The goal here is to make everyone aware about accessibility so we can have a more accessible world, right? So today I'm going to talk about three things that you probably didn't know about accessibility for mobile apps. Yes, smartphone apps. And at the end, I'm going to give a bonus. So, the last knowledge that you might stay with me until the end. And let's dive in to this. Let's go. Showing Accessibility Everywhere logo. Okay, the first thing that you probably didn't know that blind users, when they are using accessibility, they use in a very high speed the screen reader. So usually a person that is not used to would not understand anything. It's so fast that is and then so usually this is a first thing that I think you didn't know, but let me know if you knew about that. Second thing that you probably didn't know about accessibility, but maybe you knew that, so let me know if you already knew about that. Most of the platforms, Android and iOS, they already offer part of accessibility. So if you are using native components, then I'm pretty sure that you are going to receive at least part of the accessibility. But there's one trick here that companies they should apply in their apps accessibility as well, because if they don't do that, they can give let's say a wrong experience, because user is going to have half of the accessibility but not the other half. So it's very important that everyone is aware of that, and that everyone applies accessibility in their apps. So second point is this. The third thing about accessibility that I don't know if you knew, but you tell me please, is that we can use accessibility for temporary issues that we find in our lives. So, for example, let me give me as an example. I got a problem on my arms recently, and I started using voice commands to not touch the computer with the hands or the arms. So, I am using a lot of accessibility, and this is helping on my healing process. So, and you can use for anything, so you just need to be aware of these tools. And yes, I might bring some news soon, some other videos about these tools and how you interact with them and how you can test them. Yeah, so stay tuned. Here we go for the bonus knowledge about accessibility that this I don't think you knew. This one I don't think you knew already. Okay, so blind users use photo apps and social media with photos. Yes, yes. Like Instagram, like Twitter, like old Twitter, but yeah. So the blind users they use these apps, and but then you think, oh, Paula, no, but they cannot see pictures. They cannot see the pictures, but they can understand the description that you are adding there. So the most important thing here that you can do blind users to see your pictures in the way that you want to show to them is that you use an image description. So in your image, you are going to put in the description, blah, 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 went to the park. And then below that, you can add in square brackets, image description, column, and then you write there, okay, behind me there were a tree or a grass, or it was a sunny day, I was wearing glasses, not wearing glasses, and I will produce a video telling about how to describe these images, because yes, of course, not everything in the image you need to describe. Sometimes some more things are more relevant than others, but yeah, this is one more video for us about this topic. So stay tuned for more. Bye bye. Showing Accessibility Everywhere logo.